Hey everyone, it's Chase again from MoonShot Money. If I told you a 17-year-old big data Silicon Valley software company that works closely with the United States government agencies like the CIA and Department of Defense had just recently became available on the stock market through a direct listing, would you be interested? You might be after we take a quick look. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we want to thank everyone for your support over the last few months. We can't believe 1,000 of you have subscribed to MoonShot Money and put a little trust in us. 1,000 thank yous. Please keep helping us with the YouTube algorithm by hitting that like button. The company we are looking at today is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. It was founded all the way back in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Nathan Gettings, Joe Longsdale, Stephen Cohen, and Alex Karp. The company's name is derived from the movie The Lord of the Rings, where the magical Palantir were seeing stones, which allowed their users to communicate with each other or to see faraway parts of the world. In 2003, Palantir began a software developer as a U.S. Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA. Over time, however, the company expanded its reach to other government agencies and then to a private sector. Today, the firm employs some of the smartest minds in Silicon Valley and generates 53% of its revenues from non-government entities. Yet, few of us on the outside know any of the specifics due to its continued work in covert operations. The company is known for three incredible revolutionary software projects in particular: Palantir Gotham, Palantir Metropolis, and Palantir Foundry. Palantir Gotham is currently used by counterterrorism analysts at offices in the United States Intelligence Community, or USIC, and United States Department of Defense. Palantir Metropolis is used by hedge funds, banks, and financial service firms. Palantir Foundry is used by corporate clients such as Morgan Stanley, Airbus, and Fiat Chrysler. It appears to us that Palantir is a very trusted company. Have you ever wondered how, after all those years after 9/11, we finally found bin Laden? They have neither denied nor confirmed the whispered idea that they were very involved in the locating of Osama bin Laden. Truth be known, they probably were. What exactly does this influential company do? Palantir helps organizations make sense of vast amounts of data. It helps gather information from various sources like internet traffic and cell phone records and analyzes that information. It puts those digital pieces together into something that makes sense to its users, like a visual display. As an investment, Palantir has people wondering, should I buy? Should I wait until the lockup is over? Is it too secretive? We made the choice to begin accumulating shortly after the direct listing. Our average cost right now is $9.64 per share, and we plan to continue to add to our holdings. A few days ago, we were pleasantly surprised to see one of our favorite investors, Kathy Wood with ARK Invest, begin buying Palantir shortly after we did. To us, that was a huge confirmation that Palantir is on the cutting edge of disruptive innovation. Three reasons to consider buying shares right now are these. Number one, revenue is accelerating year over year. Government contracts are expanding and new industries are beginning to see a use case to bring Palantir into their business's toolbox. We think the sky's the limit in revenue. Number two, profit margins will be growing in the future. From our research, it appears that Palantir's margins may increase going forward due to their technological efficiencies, justifying the heavy investments and large net losses in the recent past. Everyone seems to be looking for SaaS, or software as a service company, because of the high margins. This is one such company. Three, the total addressable market remains large. Palantir generated $742.6 million in revenue in 2019 and $481.2 million in the first half of 2020, meaning it's potentially on track to generate $1 billion this year. However, Palantir believes there is still a large total market opportunity of $119 billion. Even after a strong current year, it appears Palantir has still only captured less than 1% of the total market opportunity. Of course, Palantir isn't likely to get all that market, and it's up against some of the biggest enterprise software companies in the world for corporate data management. But the overall market opportunity will probably expand in the years ahead as well. In a recent Wall Street Journal article, we discovered that Palantir would help the United States track COVID-19 vaccines. This is a very big deal. Name one story bigger than COVID this year, and Palantir has its fingerprints all over the solution. Palantir Technologies is helping the federal government set up a system that will track the manufacture, distribution, and administration of COVID-19 vaccines. Palantir has been developing software that the federal health officials would use to manage the various vaccine data and identify any issues that could prevent Americans from getting the shots, according to the health officials and materials reviewed by the Wall Street Journal. Palantir's system, named Tiberius, marks an attempt to use cutting-edge data science to help the federal government manage the work of protecting Americans against the virus. Pretty big to us. Let me simply read to you some article headlines you can easily read for yourself that lays out the case from Palantir being a possibly wonderful investment over the long haul. Qatar allies with Palantir Technologies to expedite its digital transformation. Palantir wins $91 million R&D contract. Palantir picks up more COVID-19 contracts, this time with the VA. ARK Invest keeps buying Palantir stock. Is it the next Tesla? Many very smart people believe this is the most powerful software in the world. The CEO, Alex Karp, said as much himself in an interview on YouTube. There is so much information we can share with you, but we just wanted to get you thinking. We recommend that you read articles, watch interviews with Alex Karp and Peter Thiel, look at their financials, etc. We believe this is an opportunity to buy a great company and put it in your vault. When the lockup is over and the stockholders from before the listing are able to sell, many probably will sell so they can get liquidity for all their years of waiting. This may cause a fluctuation in the stock price, but over the long haul, this is a powerful, respected, and trusted company ran by brilliant people. Are you buying Palantir? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to discuss it all with you. Remember, we are not financial advisors or tax advisors, so please do your own due diligence. Happy investing, and we'll see you next time.